My video tutorial is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site daynitroglass.com. This is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead users and to make them click on Allow button, supposedly to help them verify that they are humans and not robots. But if the Allow button is clicked by mistake, the browser gets hijacked with plenty of intrusive advertisements that would keep attacking the screen. And to remove these ads, you need to fix your browser, so access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. Now remove all these junk sites if you ever locate them on the list. So carefully, one by one, get rid of all these deceptive sites. My recommendation is that you additionally research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.